Hey Julie. Which do you like? The city or the countryside?
I like the city. How about you?
I don't really like the city. I like the countryside.
Why do you like the countryside?
Because I can walk around. Also it's quiet and peaceful. Why do you like the city?
Because there are many things to do. I can dance. I can go to the movie theater and watch a movie. I can go shopping. I can go to the art museum. I can go to basketball games.
Nice. I like pineapples. I don't like watermelon.
He likes peaches. He doesn't like strawberries.
She likes dogs. She doesn't like cats.
I like. I don't like. He likes. He doesn't like. She likes. She doesn't like.
You like football. You don't like soccer.
We like motorcycles. We don't like cars.
They like firefighters. They don't like police officers.
You like. You don't like. We like. We don't like. They like. They don't like.
What do you like?
Thanks for watching. See you next time.